last night, Coach Jordan went through the warehouse and made a few
tree toppers. So I did put a red and gold option together for y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this stem first. And all I'm going to be doing is just layering these on top of each other. So I'm going to place, and that's the cool thing about these picks, y'all. See how this one was on this side and I just switched it over to this side. See how this piece right here is on this side? And all I'm doing is I put those two together just like that. So then set that down. You want to make sure you fluff out all of your picks and stems. A lot of these are wired, so you can manipulate them whichever way you want them to go. So then I'm just getting those two stems that we already had put together, layering this gold spray right on top of it, and the other one right next to it. So it's gonna should look like that, y'all. And now I'm going to bring in these wispy sprays as well. And these are really pretty. They're glittered. And y'all know I'm all about the glitter. And we're just adding these right on top of that, just to bring in some more of that red. And I am holding it with my hand. So then this pick right here, it's going to be tucked right in between that red pick. So I'm just getting a zip tie and just zip tying them all together. And y'all, these are available at decoexchange.com. I think they're into the kits section. So all I'm doing is I want to make a 6-loop bow. So making a tail, pinch, gonna make a loop, pinch, twist, make another loop, pinch, and twist. So that gives you
thank you, Christina.
the bow tie. That's what I call it. I call that the bow tie. And then now we're going to start on the X, which X marks the spot, making my tail just a little bit longer than my bow tie. And twist. Make a loop, pinch, and twist. Another loop.
We're getting our day started early here.
Yep.
Got lots to do. We're usually early live this early though.
I'm a zip tie kind of person. So now I'm just going to get that bow.
Kathy said she loves to watch us live together.
Well, we're a mess together.
I'm just happy that he puts up with me.
So that's our tree topper with our bow. Run these stems right.
Watch
down
how
the
easy this
center
is.
Of that trunk is. So